Today I'm going to show you how to remove the drop content blocks here, placeholder in Mailchimp, and how to clean up your email layout so it looks exactly the way you want. This is a simple but really useful Mailchimp trick, especially if you want to start with a blank design, remove unwanted content areas, or delete an entire section from your email campaign. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, sign in to your Mailchimp account. Once you're inside the dashboard, look at the left-hand menu and click Create. From there, choose Email and then select Regular. This will open the setup process for a standard email campaign. Next, give your campaign a name. You can name it something simple like Test Email or Newsletter Cleanup, then click Begin. Mailchimp will take you into the email builder where you can choose how your email starts. Now, when you get to the template selection screen, choose Start from Scratch. This is important because it gives you a cleaner builder layout and makes it much easier to remove default blocks and sections you do not want. Once you select that option, Mailchimp opens the editor with separate areas like the header, body, and footer. At this point, you may see the placeholder that says Drop Content Blocks Here. That message appears because Mailchimp is waiting for you to add content into that section. If you want to remove the placeholder, simply click on the content block or the area where it appears. Once it is selected, you should see editing options appear around it. If it is just a block you do not want, you can delete that block directly. To do that, click the block, look for the delete or trash option, and remove it. In many cases, this is all you need if you only want to get rid of one content element and keep the rest of the section intact. This is the quickest way to clean up a layout without rebuilding the entire email. But if you want to remove the placeholder completely, you should delete the entire section instead of just the individual block. For example, if you do not want the header section at all, click the header section so the full area is selected. Then look for the More Options menu, which is usually the three-dot menu in that section's settings. Click the three dots and from the menu, select Delete. Mailchimp will remove that entire section from the email. This is especially helpful if you are building a very simple email and want to eliminate extra empty areas, default blocks, or any layout pieces you do not need. Once you have removed the unwanted block or section, take a moment to review the rest of your email. Make sure the layout still looks correct and confirm that the body area only contains the sections you actually want to use. This extra check can save you from sending out an email with empty spaces or a broken design. When everything looks good, click Save and Exit. That will save your changes and take you out of the editor so your campaign stays updated. And that is how you remove drop content blocks here in Mailchimp, whether you just want to delete a single block or remove an entire section completely. It only takes a few clicks once you know where to look, and it makes your email campaigns much cleaner and easier to manage. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick Mailchimp guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.